Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life DIY home decor. So in this video today we have Tablescape Tuesdays, and that's my favorite time of the week, guys. Now, Tablescape Tuesdays is every Tuesday at 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and that's being hosted by the Grace Life DIY Home Decor, that's myself, and Amethyst Adventures. Now, I'm going to be linking our channel links down below in the description box. I'm also going to be linking the playlist. So make sure, guys, and watch the videos, subscribe to our channel, share the video if you can, and comment below because I would love to hear from you. Now, as in all collaborations, I ask you to exercise YouTube etiquette. Now, did you know that every time you click that like button and you full watch a video and even share the video, this helps us content creators to grow. And commenting below just lets us know how you feel about our videos. Now, I decided to go with blue and white today, a cozy table for two in the living room, and I'm going to leave you to a little bit of music, guys, as I put this together, and I'll be in and out of the video. Okay, so I decided to go with blue and white today. Now let's start with the tablecloth. First off, there's two. One is navy blue and the top one is a lacy one. Then we have the placemats that I purchased at Hobby Lobby. The plates, those were thrifted items. And then also the salad plates were thrifted items. Those were amazing. Okay, then those blue wine glasses, which I went ahead and I embellished them a little bit with some gems. Those came from the Dollar Tree a long time ago. Then you have at the end of the coffee table there at the top, some DIY centerpiece, and then the two candle stands are also DIY'd, and those came out fabulous. Okay, so we're lighting candles. It's almost time for the reveal. I think this table came out absolutely gorgeous, and I hope you agree. So if you like the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, guys. I'll see you in the next one.